these have to count where you blow them out of. That's boring.
Did we give Molly a stripper? Why do we do that?
Oh, we'll do it for your birthday.
But we weren't actually gonna do that.
Oh. $1,000 is probably.
Pour one.
Okay.
It just like lights brighter in your face.
That was hilarious. And that one actually hurt me. Alright, it's like hurting me.
Did you make a wish?
No.
Make it. No one can type until she makes a wish.
The cake is half gone.
I don't care.
Don't talk and I won't see it.
Anything now.
Candy.
Okay, you want to grab a fork?